Welcome back to my channel. My name is VassaOlga. Today we're going to be experimenting with eye shapes, and I'm going to tell you that probably you can change your eye shape by using liner and different liner shapes. So I'm going to be experimenting with Alexandra's hack that she filmed about 2.5 years ago, and I'm going to be honest because I tried to film this video a bit earlier and it kind of turned out really nice, but the only problem was that I wasn't careful enough and I didn't have an opportunity to watch her video till the end, and I missed a lot of important steps that actually changed the eye shape. Today we're going to be just recreating the same look that I tried for my eye shapes yesterday, but today it's going to be a little bit different. We're going to be needing some liner. I'm going to be using today Maybelline eyeliner, and I really love that you can pick the product from the small box, from this tube. I know that sometimes people prefer pen liners. I'm not a huge fan because they're drying out really quickly. That is the reason why I'm into this type of liners, or you can put one from the box, the gel liner probably. The first eye shape is going to be a round shape. How to create a round shape? It's really easy, as she claims. We have to create almost straight line right from the outer corner . It's gonna be almost straight. Okay, so now we're going to the inner corner and recreating the natural shape, but going a little bit higher than my lash line. You have to link both lines. And as for this part, we're just gonna fill in the blank space. Well, for now we have almost like straight line and it's really thick. And as for my right eye, another technique, another routine, as Alexandra explains, we have to create this line a little bit higher than we started the previous line, and then we just have to drag this out. My next line is not going to be as straight as the previous one, which is always a problem for me because I am really bad at creating something similar or creating something even. I am going a little bit higher than my natural outer corner. And I'm going back on the same line. And I'd say that I probably brought this a little bit higher than I expected this to be. That's why I just have to even everything up. And then bring down right to the beginning of my pupil. I love prolonging this line, but you have to keep it really, really close to your lash line. And at the moment, we're moving to the most important part that I skipped yesterday. That's why I have to refilm it today. For this, hooded eye shape, it's better to use some black liner in the waterline. Try to focus this over your waterline. Don't bring this anywhere else. And for my left part, we're going to use the same black pencil, but I'm just going to add this below my waterline. Now we have to smudge this out, and then I would probably need a tiniest bit of black shade. I guess I would need a tiniest bit of white pencil on my waterline. So what do you think, guys? Do you spot any difference? Honestly, do. There's the difference. This is my left eye, and this is the right eye. Both eyes, they do look different. This one is a little bit more round. This one is a little bit less round. It's kind of like hooded. I know I messed up a little bit with my liner, right eye liner. It should have been a little bit thinner, I'd say. But the overall look is really cool. I mean, not the look, but the shapes. So if you really want to try to experiment with something like that, you can always try out and mix, try the different techniques and then see which one is better for you guys. And I guess that's pretty much it. I'm gonna see you in one of my next videos, hopefully. Bye bye.